Do you want to improve your workplace culture? Do you want less turnover, easier recruitment and retention of talent, higher productivity, increased workplace commitment, and more overall happiness? Don't know where to start? Too many places to go? Feel pressed for time? There is a solution. There is a way to improve the atmosphere in your workplace. Welcome to the Action Planning Program, a practical tool that helps you achieve your workplace improvement plan. The Action Planning Improvement Plan has 7 stages or steps and is simple to use and follow. It's always online, accessible from anywhere or any device, and doesn't take up much time. With the Action Planning Program, you'll create a united, committed, innovative, and productive work environment. We'll help you become a better leader, a better manager, a better boss. It's just a click away. To start, you only need a computer, a tablet, or smartphone. Let's take a look at the 7 steps of the Action Planning Program. Step 1. Review and analyze workplace survey results. Here you'll see the 5 best and 5 not so great specific results from the Culture Survey. This will help you choose your areas of focus for workplace climate improvement. Step 2. Define areas of attention. You can choose 3 specific areas to focus on. For these 3 areas, you'll identify concrete actions that will lead to improvements. Step 3. Validate areas of focus. You know the areas you want to work on, but are these the same areas that your coworkers also find important? Here's where you involve your team. Step 4. Develop the action plan. Plan the actions and tactics that will allow you to meet your workplace culture improvement objectives. Step 5. Validate and implement the plan. Share the plan with your team before you start. In this way, you'll involve your work group in your journey, and they'll be more committed to your success. Step 6. Choose core behaviors. Just as important as knowing what you will do in your plan is defining how you will do it. Here, you'll commit yourself to at least 3 daily activities that will help you improve and will impact your relationship with the team. Step 7. Follow-up. It's simple. After you follow the prior 6 steps, you do a monthly follow-up. You won't forget. The system will send you monthly reminders. You can stop at any time and save your work. Each stage takes no more than 60 minutes. Just by dedicating a few hours to the overall process, you'll finish your action plan in just a couple of weeks. Enjoy the journey and the benefits to you and your workplace.